Hello, internet beautiful people. I am Faruk, working on my game, learning something new every day. And today is 9th of July 2024. I wanna keep working on my scene transition. So we might be doing some kind of refactorings. I'm not sure. Um, Maybe. So instead of this very static, very instant transition, what I'm gonna do is I wanna have uh, some kind of um, movement, action happening, and one of the things is so if we go to this game scene right now, where is the camera? Camera is here. So what I wanna do? Oh, we have a problem. Wait, I cannot access the camera from here. Do I need the camera? Ah, you know what? I think I have a problem. Player camera is the player camera. So we might need to make a small adjustment. Oh, let me get my chat open here somewhere. We have added font. We are doing themes. A lot of stuff happening. Yeah, that's okay. Chat. Let's put it here. I don't have... Hey! Wait. Let's get the music going. There we go. Doop 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 doop. Okay. So we might need to get our player camera. We might delete it from here. If I remove it from here, it is directly below the player. So if I remove it from here and if I add it here, why? Oh, I need to save this and then it will probably allow me to do this. Bulicano Marian. I am sorry if I butchered your name. Hello, welcome. How is my project going? I am... the ideas are flowing. Everything is great. I am feeling great. Although a bit overwhelmed because... and a bit frustrated as well because I am not spending enough time on this project. Day and night, all the time, I'm thinking about it. I want to work on it, but there is chores, there is family time. I need to read books. I am happily doing that, by the way, but I am reading books to my kid. I'm spending time with my wife. There are house chores. So when will I work on my game? Well, that is how I feel. And the project is going just like that, but I am... honestly, I don't feel like I am putting enough well, I wanna spend at least an hour or two every day. But that being said, it is still might not be very productive, because some of the things, especially if you are learning like me, takes a bit of time to learn the concept, like get your head around, understand what you are doing, and then finally when you are going to be productive, the time shouldn't be over, you know, you shouldn't be hitting the limit. And most of the time this happens to me. Like yesterday I was live 2 hours, I worked 2 hours on the game, and I was just, you know, figuring out, coming up with ideas. How can I solve this problem? I was looking for an answer to that question, and eventually I got kind of an answer. Right now I know I have an answer to that, but yesterday I was out of time, so I had to just close the stream and go back to my day. And until now I didn't have time to get the project up and running. So ideal hours is very subjective. For me, I am not hitting the ideal hours. I need like twice the amount personally. That is why I couldn't take any. I am afraid to go into any 48-hour or 3-day game jams, even week-long game jams, because I can't do that. I see people like getting into a jam and they don't even eat or go to shower and spend like 40 hours on that 48-hour time window. I can't do that. I'm afraid. I need to take the call. Like, for example, I need to take the call. It's my wife. I need to take the call. Okay, I'm back. Welcome, Vibing Games. Here comes the vibes. Nice. It is so good to see you again, day after day, which is a strong indication of good things. Welcome back. So I need to figure out attaching the player camera to the player and then referencing it in the player script. Oh, maybe if I can make it like this, would it work? No, okay. So this we cannot access. This is null. Can we do it like this? Nope. Let's find it. That is a good question. I mean, the only thing is we would have, this is a, we would have a variable here. Oh, wait. We can have an exported variable for player camera, which would be a player camera, right? And then here, I would put this one like that. And then this should work. Come on, again? No? What did I break here? Oh, this is not a, wait. Okay. I messed it up, sorry. This is a scene. This is a scene. Wait, I messed it up. Why did I do it like that? So this is just a node. This is not a scene. What's happening? Okay, now it would work. Now if we go here, pull this one here, this should work. Cool. Pixelate stream does not work because I might have broken it. But what it would do was this. How does it look? This is nice. Do you want me to put them together again? I think it requires a WebSocket connection to... Are you trying to remake it in 3D? Yes. Yes, I do. I have also other ideas, like there will be enemies, inventory, there will be some kind of resource collection and crafting going on. I need to connect this to OBS, right? Platforms, stream apps, OBS. Ah, it's connected. So I can see my display capture here as well, but maybe this is not connected. Prompt is pixelate. Okay. And then pixelate is here. Runs these commands. Tied to action. Pixelate action. Okay, when you do that, does it catch this? Display capture. Okay, can I test it? How? Where was it? Ah, okay. Test. Ah, it is working. So when you redeemed the thing, did it work? Can I make it redeemed? I'm trying to make what I did for the game jam. I wanna do it again in 3D. Also add bunch of other stuff. Or maybe reward is on cooldown. What? Okay, let's try the other thing. Block my face. Does it work? No, it is not working. Maybe... Oh, I need to... Yeah, something is broken, apparently. Should be working, but it is not working. They recently added these bits and, you know, these they changed the thing. Maybe that broke everything. Anyway, it is not. Anyway, I'm not gonna spend time on this because I don't have time actually. Sorry about that. So let's continue. What I wanna do now, game. So I'm thinking, look at this intriguing thing that I am thinking. Okay, view, 2 viewports. I wanna make this. I still cannot see the... Can I see the camera, please? There we go. Okay. This is the camera? Really? I don't think so. This looks very far away. Is it? I think it is. Yeah. It is the same camera. Okay. I think it is. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm thinking is if this is the FOV is, so don't forget about 37.8. Let's even write it down somewhere because I will definitely forget it. Camera FOV 37.8. I switched the keyboard layout that I am using for the last 35 years to US keyboard US layout. So that is why all the periphery, all the symbols, all the other characters other than letters are in new places for me. Okay, so this is nice. So we can do this because changing the transform feels rough to me. What I wanna do on ready, yeah, when first instantiated, I want the cam to, if we go to the scene when we are here, and then we can also make this unique, and we can make onReady var camera, which is a camera 3D equals camera 3D, yes. So ready, what I wanna do is camera dot FOV. How does it work? FOV, yes. This is camera 3D FOV. We need a new twin. How to write twins? Let's go. Godot twin. We get new twin and then get tree, create twin. Twin properties, sprite modulate. Yeah. So we are gonna do this. Twin property, camera, FOV, and final value is 37.9. Duration is 1. So let's say 1 second. And let's say this is like 60. Why not? So save it here. Let's see if this works. Can we do like ease in, ease out, those kind of stuff? I'm sure twin has properties. Twin easing and transition cheat sheet. Come on. What does it mean? Ease out. So what does it mean really? I mean, yeah, I can see the lines. So linear. Does that mean starts fast and like what is it? Dies. What does it mean? Twin. Some twinners use transitions and eases. The first except what? Refers to the way that the timing of the animation is handled. The second accepts an ease type constant where controls the trans type is applied to the interpolation. Are not designed to be reused. Yes, sure. So we say set trans set Do I need to kill twin after? Twin kill. Yeah, let's do it. What happens on my remote? Okay, I don't see it. If I go here, do I get a... Okay, so I don't see any twin object, right? So it must be going away. Cool. I wanna see something about the... easing functions. Okay, let's try. So if I go to script, if I say tween dot set translation back bounce quad, okay, so fast and then slows. If we go to this cheat sheet, quad does that. Does what? What is the default for set ease? Default is ease in and out. Okay. So let's do ease in and out is this. Ease out yapalım. Let's do an ease out. I spoke Turkish. Did you catch it? Tween set ease out. Okay, starts fast and then eases out. Nice. If I do this 1.5, if we come from like really far away, maybe like this. Can just start moving. I like it. Okay, let's see it in full screen. Oh, it was cool. We can even you see that? I think I also want to have a translation, you know? What are we doing there? If we go to my player script, so I'm doing player camera position. Can we also do this? It's the physics process. It's already done. So if I move its position to somewhere else, let's go. here. This. I want to change the position of this. Maybe 1 meter this way. 1 meter this way. What happens? Let's see. Should we have like a swooping in effect? No, it wasn't really apparent. Let's make it more dramatic. And maybe 2.5 like this. Yes, it worked. But that was not the effect I was looking for. So what I'm going to do is come here. Let's make this like really long to see the view, because I'm old. Okay, so this shouldn't come from, maybe it can come from the bottom. I didn't like it. Hello, Tev. I remember. What's happening here? Okay, I think this was cool. But we need to find the place. Landing there looks great. If we make it like 2.5. I don't know. It feels... I don't see the... Okay. Was it better? Even if it is not better, it is interesting. If it is positive. Okay, this is more like it, I think. Yeah. I think this is more like it. And maybe this is on z-axis, we can be even farther. I think I like it. Yeah. Let's make it even more dramatic. And now think about this. I will put here, I'm gonna put a node 3D. Why I did all of this? For this thing. Check this out. No, not node 3D. Okay, we can have a node 3D there, and then in it we can put a mesh instance, make it a box. Now where is it? Let's put it to 20, 20 and 4. Okay, the box is there. We still need to move it, so yeah, you see that? I wanna have a platform here, and then there will be, I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know what that is. Oh, it was too fast. It was very fast. So let's move this one or this one. So what is that? It doesn't. Okay, let's wait. Can we get a 1 second timer or something? Let's wait 1 second, then move. On ready, get tree, get timer. Wait, wasn't it like this? Create timer. After time, okay. And what is the dot timeout? Oh, I see. Okay. Timer 1 dot timeout, whatever. So this would wait 1 second and then start moving. No, it didn't. Wait. Await. I don't do the await. Let's do the await. That is the problem. No? Come on, what's happening? Wait, what happened there? Okay, timer is working, but we start moving immediately. That is because movement is... Oh, I see. That is because our movement script is here. This starts working immediately. I don't want to touch this. You know what we can do? We can move this the other way around. We can do this calculation on the camera itself. But how do we give the player position to the camera? Could we do this both-way coupling, maybe? Is it a stupid thing? Hey, default! Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Is it stupid? I don't know. These are two very special components anyway. If I export var player as a player. And then if I come to my game scene, my player camera needs the come on. I also work in Unity too. Lol. This is not Unity, man. Does it look like Unity? It is Godot. Let's do it like that. And then here. How do I use the timeout? It is Godot. Godot, however you wanna spell it, pronounce it. This is the open source alternative to Unreal and Unity. That is like that's a very cool engine. Oh, timeout. Godot, timer, timeout. Godot, yeah. Timer, timeout signal. Interesting. Do I need to assign it to a variable? Really? No. Run a command. No, I don't want to do that. Timers in Godot. Signal. How did you do it? What are you doing here, man? Okay, so I need to do that. What game am I working on? The game is a 3D Metroidvania action adventure with roguelite elements where player explores a desolate world filled with mystery, puzzles and enemies. The player and the world changes as the game progresses. So this is this came after. So basically, wait, the idea came and then it got iterated a couple of times, and then I made a game for a game jam, which is available here in itch.io, which I can share here. Go like and subscribe me wherever you are, guys. By the way, thank you very much. But anyway, this is the first iteration of the game, and let me show it to you. So this is 2D, but now I'm doing it in 3D with I will do the models as well. So basically what I imagine is this is a multi-layered, multi-story facility, and we are playing a robot and we are trying to escape that facility or something like that. There will be a story and setting. While escaping it, we will see enemies and there will be locked areas we will unlock, and then there will be all sort of things in between. There will be crafting inventory, as I said, enemies, new abilities, different abilities. There will be roguelite elements, so that you would be dying a lot and then starting a new run, but each run will be slightly different, and so on and so forth. So for the door, for the unlocking, I thought of this mechanism or feature, game mechanic, that you need to change the thing you have so that you can open the door. I called it an artifact, and each artifact has some stones in it. Currently we have 1 stone in our artifact, and you need to make your artifact with the same orientation and placement of what the door needs. So you can move the tiles, move the stones, and then change the symbol on them, and then you can open the doors. So this was the game I made for a gem, and now I am expanding on it with some new 3D ideas. Yeah. Anyway. So what I can do is I can connect this to on timeout. On timeout, basically on timeout is enough. And then thank you very much for timeout over equals false. And then function on timeout, we can call this like that. And the only thing we are going to do is timeout over equals true. And then here on physics process, I'm going to do this thing over there. So I will pull this one from here, put it over here, and this is its own position to player dot position. Thank you very much. I appreciate that you liked it. So I hope this works, but only we should run this. Sorry about that. We should run this only if timeout over. Look, I got to go, but I have subbed and I can't to catch another one of your streams. Very nice. Thank you very much. That really made my day. I really appreciate you saying that. I am here daily. I try to be here weekdays around 11:30 a.m. Central European Time. At the very latest, I will be here like 12 p.m. Central European Time, and I stay live like 2-3 hours. Yeah, and I will see how it goes. I mean, in terms of the content engagement, and I will be learning along the way, and I would definitely learn and improve and put more things on top of what I am currently doing. So yeah, I would love to see you again later. Thank you very much for stopping by and subbing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I would, when you have time, I would love to see your work as well. Thanks for stopping by. That's great. So, oh, what was that? That was a very weird behavior. Okay, after timeout, it works just fine. The camera following the player with a nice interpolation of position. This is nice. This is cool. But first, hello Velix. Welcome, welcome. So nice of you to see. So nice to see you all, guys. Yahoo G, thank you for the follow. Nice, we got a follower on Twitch. Thanks. Very cool. I feel we have a very lively stream today. Today is my son's like after party thing. Hello, I am great. Thank you very much. How are you? How are you yourself, man? Thank you. Today is this week is the last week of the schools, and my son's school has a end of the year celebration party today at 3 p.m. So that is why I will be on stream 1 more hour. Then I have to go to the party basically. But I will be very sad leaving the stream today, because I feel like we have a lovely stream, lovely chat, very active, very warm. So thank you guys, and welcome all. So what's happening here? It is last week of schools here where we live. Oh, this immediately ends. Wait, I don't understand. Did you catch my game, guys? Here, you can play it. Maybe I can put it somewhere. It is the first ever game jam game that I made. It is the first ever game that I made. It is, of course, not the... Hey, Ziplocked! Welcome, welcome! I made this game in April. It is of course not a finished game, or I don't like think of it like a masterpiece, but still it has a lot of components, systems, different interactions. It led me to learn a lot, and now we are going to take that experience, take that knowledge, and apply it to a 3D game. Oh yeah. Welcome. Such a good day today. I am very, very happy. Very, honestly, a bit surprised as well. So many nice souls ending up here. Welcome. So when I did this connect, it stopped being an... Without that connect, yeah, there it is. Ah, maybe I connect it like that, and then I need to call. Come on. So maybe should I do it like this, like, and then timer, do I do timer.start or something? No? Nope. So do I make it, do I put an object in my scene? Okay, yeah, that is what we are going to do. Okay, I can add a timer, no worries. I can add the timer here. Wait time 1 second. One shot means, what does it mean? If true, the timer will stop after reaching the end. Otherwise, the timer will. Okay, one shot. And we say auto start. Nice. Cool. And then we will make it a unique thing. We will pull this one here. Then we don't need this anymore. And here, this one, we can get its timeout signal tied to on timer timeout connect. We can set this to true over here. We don't need this function anymore. So if timeout is over, do this. And also we do the same here. If timeout over, do this. So we will wait 1 second in that position and then start moving. Nice. But this is too far away. What happened? We did fuck up something. Oh! Sorry. Sorry, YouTube. Please. YouTube is... Okay. Did I accidentally broke? No, this doesn't help me. Okay, when I... This is correct. The FOV does not change. The FOV needs to be like this. Okay, FOV is not moving. So why? Where's my script? Maybe we don't tie this to the timeout. Yeah, that way it will have... this was weird. I'm not getting the... What is that thing? After... Yeah, we need this. Becomes very snappy, like if there is nothing whatsoever like that, what happens if we don't? Yeah, we pass from... Maybe it is the best. We just briefly see something. It is very fast. What was that? You think about it. What was that? Or something like that. We can make it more different layers. It is there. It should make... Maybe we can move the camera even further. Like... Think about it. If we move this thing... If we give more time for the player to observe that thing... Yeah, it can work. It can work. Halfway through, there's still time to... You know what we can do? We can make this so wait is linear interpolation. We can combine it with ease. Start slow. We can start slow. Start slow. Where was the cheat sheet? Ease out. Ease out. I want it to start very slow. So should it be ease in then? I think so. Queens. This looks very cool. Expo. What is the difference? Expo is in. No, ease in and out. Wait. Ease in out. Expo ease in out. There is no difference between these two. Does it work like this? Did I do it right? Nah. We cannot do this. Let's go to the documentation. Work the... What was it? Returns an ease value of x based on the easing function. So lerp how do I perform eased interpolation? Godot eased interpolation. Let's Godot eased interpolation. Then you can scale earlier after that if you want it different. Ah. What do you mean? So do I do it here for weight? I don't understand. So do I do weight? Like curve -1. +1. There is something. I think that's enough. That is the extent of my animation knowledge. Which is fine. Yeah, you can make, and people can stop and take screenshots, whatever. Okay, I'm happy. Let's leave it like that. The next thing is the animation or the transition from main menu to this, to the game, which we should make like, I have it somewhere. Oh, this looks messy. So game modes, transition menu. Okay, I have this transition thing which looks like this. So basically, where is it? Oh, you go here. I can put a button. No. Can I put a button? Yes, I can. I can put a button here. Wait. I can even make it like... which would be like awesome. I can make my cam follow a line. So what I wanna do is why is it not moving? Okay, we have this white panel, which is this thing, and this can be 20 by 20, who cares? And then if we make our camera Godot camera follow path, Is it like pet finding?
If you want a character to patrol or move along a predefined curve, you can do that with built-in nodes in Godot. In this video, we're going to see how to create a path and draw a curve, and also how to use a very simple property of a node to move a character along that path. First, let's see how to create the path. I'm going to hide my character here and select my root node of this scene. And then you want to add a new path 3D node in 3D, and you have the equivalent in 2D. Once you've done that, some new options appear in the toolbar at the top. You can click the green icon to add points to your curve, and then click in the viewport anywhere you want to add points. You will see some go through the floor because of the perspective view. The points are getting projected based on your view direction. So a tip to create those points is to start by pressing 7 on your keypad to go to the top view, and then you can create the points in a top-down view. So I'm gonna create a couple here in a square pattern, and all 4 of them are created on the base grid. Then I can move my node up. I need to select the blue tool here to select points to move my node. And you will see that I've created 3 sides of a square, and I can click the 4th icon to close the curve in the toolbar. So you can do that to close your curve. Now we have a bunch of straight lines, and perhaps you want to create smooth curves. To do that, with the leftmost tool selected, press Shift and click and drag on any of the points to drag out these handles. They will smooth out the path. So if you've ever used Bezier curves...
Okay, so if I am here, if I go to Z, and if I, let's say, if I add a pet 3D, right? And the camera follows the pet? Do we add a pet follow? What happens?
In a vector drawing program, this is very similar to it. So you can do that to create your path, and there again, the handles will be projected based on the view direction. So if you want to keep the curve flat, you need to press, again, 7 on your keypad to go to the top view, and then shift, click, and drag to create your smooth curve. You can also click and drag on the points to move them and edit your curve anytime. One last little thing, when you close the curve, it doesn't exactly create a single point with the 2 sides merged. Instead, it creates 2 aligned sides. To do that, we need to create a new node as a child. We need to create a new node. Let's say we have our curve, and now we want to move an object alongside it. To do that, we need to create a new node as a child of the path node. This node is called path follow 3D. So I create this node, and then in the inspector, I get some progress properties. If I click and drag to increase them, you can see my widget here, my gizmo in the 3D view, moves along the path. So I can put anything as a child of my path follow 3D node, and it will move along with the widget. For example, if I create a new mesh instance, and I create a new box or cylinder or something like this, I can increase the progress on my path follow 3D node, and the box will move along the path, and it will also rotate to match the path's orientation. You can change the rotation mode to prevent that, but the default option is to align with the path, because that's often what we want for AIs and other characters. So I have a setup here with my path 3D, path follow, and my character, such that when I increase the progress on the path follow, my character
then anything child of pet follow follows the curve. And if I put any mesh, like let's put a mesh instance there. Where is it? Can I see it actually? If you make it like a really black material, that. Nice. If I put the camera there, what happened? No. We will say camera follow this thing. Okay. You see, it goes. If I leave it here. Oh, not wrong button. Wrong button. I don't see it at all. Hey, I'm great, curry sauce connoisseur. Welcome. How are you? I'm great. I'm fine. I'm trying to find my. Oh, sorry. There we go. Come on. This is very cool. Okay, we can make it follow this. So I'm guessing we will write
if you want
as
to change the
very
position on the path in code, you can do that. It's very easy. And in physics process, every frame, I increase the path follow 3D's progress value by a certain amount. So move speed times delta, I define the move speed here. And this is what creates this result here. And there you go. You can use that to create all kinds of curves. They can go up and down. They can be procedurally generated by a code. If you want to learn more about that, know how to make your AI patrol, for example, let me know.
Okay. So what we can do is really quickly. Yeah, no worries, man. Don't worry about it. I need to message people also, and I'm keeping I'm putting it like it takes time. We all need some time to figure out stuff. So on the physics process, I wanna get this thing in here. Speed equals 4, and then path follow 3D dot progress plus equals speed times delta. And we also get follow point. Let's call it a follow point. Access unique name. Put it there. Also get the camera. Put it there. Camera 3D dot position equals follow point dot position. position dot wait. Vector 3. Vector 4. Is there a vector 4? Really? Follow point dot x. Camera 3D dot position dot y and follow point dot z. So we don't want to change the y value. No, that is z value. Wait, that is z value. We don't want to change the z. Sorry about that. So we are gonna move this one to here, call it z, and then move this one here, call it y. Yes. Wrong thing. So hopefully, nope. Follow point dot position. No, I forget how to type by the looks of it. Okay. Okay, it is not working. I was expecting the camera to follow it. Doesn't camera 3D have a position? Transform position. Why is it not working? Is it because of the... What is happening? When I run this scene, why I don't get the camera? Because I need to make it the current camera. No, Okay, that was not the case. It is not disabled. No, what is it? I don't understand. And it is like that. I can see the camera. The camera is working. I don't have to tell it to be current. This is the follow point. So, what do we have here? Let's go to the script. The follow point maybe I should make it I can just take this one. It is not following. Why? Current, FOV, near, far, whatever. All I want is All I want for this to, let's say, move. Yes, it's moving. You can move. Yes, you can. What the hell is happening there? But the point is, this camera is not following this guy. Follow point. So this is moving. This is, even though it is broken, it is following. Let's actually let's put something here that would help us. Okay, this camera is not following the effing it's always 3. Let's do camera 3D. Isn't it position? Isn't it position? I don't know. Do I need to make it global position? Like, I don't know. Nope. Why? Can I just check print follow point dot position? Oh, it is not changing at all. I see, that is the problem. Okay. So even though this is moving around, no, it doesn't work. Pet follow. Interesting. Why we don't get the pet 3D? Pet follow 3D. This node takes its parent and returns the coordinates of a point within it. Wait. Aha. Okay. Pet follow 3D. So we use okay, it is following now. Nice. I need to go, guys. My son has a end of the year party at the school. The parents are also invited. so I'm gonna be there. Getting socialized. I will be socializing with other parents. It will be fun. Take care. I will be here tomorrow, and I got this today was great. I thank you everyone. I thank everyone who joined me today. It has been 1 hour and 47 minutes. Nice, close to my average, which is cool. Take care. I will see you tomorrow at around, I don't know, 11:30 a.m. CET. Let's aim for that. Bye.